The Senate has approved a record $90.8 billion defense budget, this after making a record $7 billion cut in the administration request. Ike Pappas reports from Washington.
In the hours just before final passage, Senate Democrats fought to make even more cuts. Edward Kennedy proposing the $6 billion anti-ballistic missile site at Grand Forks, North Dakota be shut down. The Senate refused to cut off funds for the site, but agreed to eventually phase out all operate the system's elaborate radar equipment. Senator Thomas Eagleton of Missouri then rose to ask that a flat $577 million be slashed, Eagleton charging that the Pentagon mismanages its funds. Democrats and Republicans then joined to defend the defense budget from further reductions, echoing many of the same arguments the fired Secretary of Defense, James Schlesinger, had repeated in these halls. Pastore, Democrat, Rhode Island. The Russians and the Red Chinese are becoming more and more powerful every day. The only thing they understand is power. We've got America must not lose its muscle. Goldwater, Republican, Arizona. This annual event to put a meat axe to the defense budget is wrong, wrong, wrong. The budget is already dangerously low. It is telling the Soviets, keep it up, boys, we are quitting. The final vote was 87-7 in favor of passage. The bill now goes to a conference committee where differences between the House and the Senate versions will be worked out. The president could get to sign it by early December. Ike Pappas, CBS.